What's up, Puthi Pathi Nakama? Welcome back to the channel where the art meets gaming.
Yeah!
My language mixing, English is not my first, so things might get a little off and mixed up sometimes. But hey, that's part of the fun, right, Aya?
Yeah!
Yeah, let's dive in. Today, it's about Roblox, and we are playing Player Sushi Tycoon. Come on, let's play.
No, try Tokyo. Mama, you're back!
Yeah, I'm back. Sorry, I forgot to turn on my microphone.
Ma, kenapa? Udah ya gitu.
Nigiri dropper. Okay, so we got floor in here, and then we built a conveyor here. And what I have to do now is this one. I have to click it. Okay.
Mama, that is your Tokyo.
So I have to collect my cash. Where to collect it? Oh, this one.
Mama, I'm back.
Okay, tutorial is complete.
I'm back.
Have you completed your tutorial, Aya?
Yeah. Make sushi.
Click the sushi machine. Click it. Let's click the sushi machine. Oh, it's easy. Okay. Make a lot of it. Make a lot of sushi. Yes.
Pro player. Yes.
I'm like a pro player because this one is too easy, Arya. You don't make it sushi by yourself.
No. Not first sushi.
Oh, do it now automatically. Make
Sushi.
yeah, I think now it's automatic sushi, or you can turn it on and turn it off.
Oh.
Cucumber sushi dropper. Okay, upgrading the sushi. I don't have enough money for that.
No. Mama, this is my Tokyo.
It's your purple.
And new body. Body. I can. I
I
want
want to build a wall.
to build the wall.
I build a wall. After this, I think I'm gonna make the money to buy tuna sushi dropper. Look, my machine is so fast. Okay, so I have enough money to buy tuna sushi dropper upgrade.
Yay.
Just resume, leave and then resume it. Yeah.
I'm back.
Hello, Aya. Brown sushi dropper.
Oh, look, it's getting faster.
Yes, yours is getting faster. After you have enough money, you should buy another upgrade.
Oh my god, buy another one. It's getting faster.
Yes, it's getting faster. Okay, have enough money to buy another upgrade. Salmon sushi dropper. And there me again. Ropes. What do you think, guys? What should we buy? This sushi statue, gear platform, cleaning camper, carpets, other carpets. I think we buy this kitchen table first. From buying stools. Gear platform.
Hey, my mom is getting. Uh, look, Mama is getting.
Tables.
Mama.
Yes, it's getting faster. Oh, you already upgrade your sushi.
Yeah.
Now your sushi machine is complete, Aya. And then you can collect your money to buy another thing for your store. Pillars,
This is one. This
glass,
glass is.
hanging lanterns. Oh, now it looks like a sushi restaurant
Mama,
with a machine.
Mama, I'm so proud.
You are okay.
Apa?
You are a pro gamer.
Aku tak tolong apa?
You are pro gamer.
Okay.
Sushi flag,
Aku
other kitchen counters.
no, no. Mama, Mama. What
What is
is
it?
this? No.
Oh, you can clean the dishes. There's no dirty dishes. We need 500 to hire staff. So we take our money and then we put staff in here. Okay. So our dishes can be more tasty, right? And dishes again.
Mama is not a pro player.
Wow, I'm like to be a pro player, yeah.
And this?
We have upgraded the inside of the store and then we upgrade the outside of the store too. Let's see how much money we have right now. So I can buy the afterwards now.
Yeah. Scott is graded.
We're getting upgraded.
Yeah.
Wow, this looks good. I think with this money, we build the second floor. Okay. Ah, nice.
Mama.
Oh, so I can hire my another chef. Okay.
What's money I gonna work?
Our quality of food is the first thing we have to do. Seriously.
Wait, the house ready.
We need a doorway, of course. Okay, doorway and of course the door too. So after I'm circling around, I saw that this one is half a blue katana. Let's buy it. Oh my God. So you have a blue katana in this restaurant? For what? For slicing the sushi?
Left. Mama, please getting upgraded.
Yeah.
Mama, you got two swords.
Yes, I have two swords.
I got one sword. What of that two? Oh, two swords.
It's getting a little noisy in here, so that's it for our two-player Sushi Tycoon adventure today. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.
No, 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 no.